In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix download problems in Telegram. If your files keep getting stuck, timing out, or crawling along at a snail's pace, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know the most reliable ways to get Telegram downloading smoothly again. First, clear Telegram's cache. This removes temporary files that can build up over time and interfere with downloads. Without deleting your actual chats or cloud media, open Settings. Go to Advanced, then Manage Local Storage and choose Clear All. Give it a moment to complete. You are simply freeing space and refreshing Telegram's local data, which often resolves stalled or incomplete downloads. Next, adjust where Telegram saves files. If your default download folder is on a nearly full drive, downloads may fail or pause unexpectedly. In Advanced Settings, change the default download path to a folder with more free space. Pick a drive that has plenty of headroom and confirm you have permission to write to that folder. If you work with large videos or archives, consider setting a dedicated directory so you always know where your files are going and how much space is left. If downloads seem blocked or never start, connect through a proxy. Some networks restrict Telegram traffic, and a proxy can help you get around those limits. Head to Settings, Open Data and Storage, and configure a proxy connection. Use a trusted source, double-check the server details you enter. And remember that while a proxy can restore access, it might be slower depending on the server's location and load. If one proxy is inconsistent, try another reputable option. When things still feel stuck, give Telegram a full restart. On desktop, find the app in your system tray. Right-click it. Choose Quit. Then launch Telegram again. A true quit closes background processes that can linger and affect downloads. If the issue persists, reinstall the app. Installing the latest package refreshes all program files. Your chats are stored in the cloud, so after signing back in, your messages will reappear. Finally, make sure Telegram is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that directly impact downloading. Check for updates in the app's menu or through your operating system's store and install any available version. That's it. Thanks for watching.